Hello. Hi. Okay, so I'm gonna take a photo of my hair first. Okay, let's see. Okay, all right. Backstory first. I've been away from home since September, and since then, I think my hair grew from maybe around here till here. But since it's a new year, I feel like I'm gonna be doing something drastic, and I've been sick and tired of using this for work, and maybe you want to do something different this year. Okay, so welcome, and this is a video of me cutting my hair for 2022. Yes, that's correct. So I got this video tutorial from Angelica Gomez, so thank you so much for your video. It has given me the strength to actually cut my hair during quarantine, during my close flights. So basically what Angelica did in her video is that she split her hair into 6 parts, like what I'm doing right now. So 2 parts in the front, which are in front of your ears, and the other 4 parts are behind. So I've been using rubber bands to keep my hair together. So after I've split them into 6, and then just making sure that they are in the same length. So the ones at the back, you can just decide whether how long or how short you want it to be, as long as they match. But as you can see, I think they're not quite, but it's fine. So the ones in the front, I kind of like measured it with my neckline. So if you can see in my neck, like there's a line in there, so I kind of use that as a guide so that I don't cut it too short. And then next, what I'm doing here is I'm adding another rubber band, which serves as a holder for the other ends of where I cut. So it's just giving me a guide that I should be cutting in between those 2. So then again, I'm just making sure that they are in the same length, like the rubber bands that I used. And also checking my backside, making sure that they are not too short for me, just so I don't freak out. And then right now you can see that I'm adding the second rubber band, so it holds my hair when I cut it. And just do it with every batch of your hair. So total, you'll be needing at least 8 rubber bands in this. Okay, so I think I'm almost there. So this part, I am just fixing it and making sure that it's the length that I want, and putting it at an angle so that when you cut it, it's like from short to long. And yes, you can do it again, redo it again if you feel like it's not how you want it to be. So as you can see that I did that because I feel like it might not be balanced, but yeah, I'm just doing this really fast forward so that it's easy and on point. And I think I'm going to be turning around to show you how it looks like from the back. Let's see if I actually do. Okay, I did. Yes. All right. So yeah, right now I'm just making sure that they're all lined up. And well, obviously that doesn't look lined up, but just make sure yours are and not like mine. And I think I am almost there. I'm almost at the time where I'm gonna cut. I don't know, I wasn't freaking out at that time, but yeah. Okay, so the final touches, all good. Yep. So as you can see, I'm using that as a guide so that I don't cut it too short. I don't know why I'm not freaking out, but I should be. Okay. Wow, that's a lot of hair. I don't know, I'm not really freaking out yet. But maybe after I take it out, like take all of it out, then I will freak out. But actually, no, I'm fine. I guess, for now. Well, obviously these are not gonna be... Oh my god, look at all my hair. Yeah. Okay, now I'm freaking out. I didn't even wait or anything, I just like literally snipped it out. Okay, so let's take a photo of my hair. Bye-bye. Okay, now that it's short, what do I do? What did you do? What did I do? I'm turning red.
This time I was an expert at cutting them. I was like, somebody give me more ponytails. But now I'm just gonna check them and I'm just making sure that they're as straight as possible.
Well, obviously mine is not straight.
And like a flat spot, there's not like a lot of little edges. So I took up all the dead. Oh my gosh, my hair was so uneven. Look at this.
Look.
I'm so glad I got these off.
Look at how much hair I've got. I think I'm gonna... Like, this is so much. Like... Okay, so the next thing she did was just to take it out. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, I did it.
Oh my gosh, I did it. Oh my gosh, it feels so good.
So much better.
Oh my gosh. I think I did it quite...
Wow.
I mean, it's cute.
I did a pretty good job.
Oh my gosh. I don't even think I have to like trim it because it's pretty good. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna be saying oh my gosh for like, oh my gosh. Wow.
I'm so happy that this came out pretty good.
This is probably my shortest, but
I was 100% sure that the ponytails in the back were gonna be like,
oh my gosh.
you know, I think I need a little bit just, no, maybe, I don't know, maybe not. Maybe
Oh my gosh, so there we go.
Just the one I watched, I've never done this before. It just,
Girl,
I just decided to.
girl, me too. I've never done this before, but thank you for your tutorial. I thought I was recording, but I didn't press it. But anyway, this is the final results of my hair. It looks fine. So, new look for 2022. So the quarantine made me do it. Closed loop flights made me do it because I can't go out after my flights. I have to stay in a hotel room and then fly out and fly back and stay again. So yeah, I had to do my hair by myself because my hair was getting longer and I just didn't want to do the French twist anymore. So I was like, okay, you know what? Let's cut your hair. And I did it. And here's the results and I like it. I know it might not be perfect, but it's fine for me. I could actually go shorter if I wanted to, but this is good. This is a good length. So yeah, happy 2022 and stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.